this tutorial I will show you how to work within the Dreamweaver interface and show you some of the tools and different little gadgets within the Dreamweaver that you can use. So to start with, we've just run through when we were configuring the software and connecting your server up to Dreamweaver or Dreamweaver up to the server. I was showing you how to open your website page, and so we've got that in front of us now. So you can see that we're in design view at the moment. So there's three different types of views here. Yours might be laid out slightly different, but this is how ours laid out. They're all the same pretty much, but here's the code, split and design. So currently we're in design view, which is a WYSIWYG system, so you've got what you see is what you get. So as we see it here is as it is on the website. If we click code view, this will give you the coding for the website. So I wouldn't touch this section unless you actually know what you're doing here. This is all in HTML coding, and if you wanted to do a split view, you could have half in the WYSIWYG and half in the HTML coding at the top. And that's useful sometimes. You'll probably just be working in the design view. So if you just click the design view, and then down the bottom you can see the properties, and this is where you've got options for the colors. So when you highlight text, you can change colors down here. If it doesn't look like this, double click the grey area and you can expand it. The section expands then once you click that. We've already ran through the local and the remote views. So when you create any new pages, which we'll run through on the next tutorial, they'll always save into the local, because whenever you right click and save off a tab here, so let me just click that. Whenever you right click the tab at the top of a page that you're working on and you click save, it'll always save it into your local system. So we'll show you that in the creating new pages section. You've got the tab at the top here, which is a drop down, which you've got common and you've got layout. You've got different things there. Once you click those other options, so like the layout, then it changes this menu bar. You've got different types. This is to alter the layout. I wouldn't alter this unless you actually know what you're doing with the layout, because it can be a little bit tricky. And if we go back to common, these are the most commonly used tools. So you've got the images tool there, which we'll be using later to insert images. So they're all pretty much the tools that you'll be using. Just these bars here, using the tabs there, right clicking that tab there, and the option drop down box there. Also these along the top, and just this section here. We don't really go into any of these here. We just use the files. So if you can't see files, or you ever lose that file manager there, then you just click files and it'll open back up again. If you've got more than one website configured onto Dreamweaver, you'll use this drop down here to select the other website that you want to work with, so you can flip between the two websites.